McLaren 765LT Supercar Makeover gets carbon fiber upgrade from Novitec. The McLaren 765LT, a special version of the 720S, has caught the attention of the aftermarket scene with various upgrades available. One example wears a stunning Badlands green wrap from vauxhall Concepts in Germany, complementing the car's existing carbon fiber elements and accented with orange highlights on the front splitter, side blades, trunk, roof, wing, and rear diffuser. To enhance the appearance of the supercar further, Novitec provides upgraded carbon fiber elements, including an N-Largo trunk lid and roof scoop, as well as side air intake inserts. The car is equipped with MC3 forged 20 and 21-inch rims with center locks developed with vauxhall. Wrapped in wide rubber for improved grip, Novitec springs lower the 765LT slightly, bringing it closer to the ground and the new wheels. Introduced in March 2020, the 765LT features McLaren's 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing 755 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, mated to a quick-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. The car underwent a strict diet to shed 176 pounds compared to the 720S, resulting in impressive performance figures with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.7 seconds and a top speed of 124 miles per hour in just 7.2 seconds. McLaren designed the 765LT with revised body components, a wider front track, and other aerodynamic enhancements to improve handling and increase downforce by 25%. The car features carbon ceramic rotors and calipers from the Senna, ensuring excellent stopping power. In the summer of 2021, McLaren introduced the 765LT Spider, sharing the same engine and performance specs as the coupe. Both variants were limited to 765 examples each, with production ending for the 720S and 765LT. Enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the arrival of the next-generation long-tail, the 750S, and the possibility of other exciting variants from McLaren in the future.